Today we are starting a new contest. Thank you all the designers who participated to our previous contest and congratulations to the winners of the previous contest. Total price cost for this contest is $55. Including charges, total cost will be $70, which is equivalent to the Indian money is rupees 5,250. This contest is sponsored by Graphics Family and organized by Graphic Island YouTube channel. Let's talk about the prizes. First place of the contest will receive $15. Second place will receive $12 and third place will receive $8. And 4th to 8th place winners will get $5 each. And the payment will be done through Fiverr and you will get 5-star rating and the feedbacks. So now let's talk about description. Here is the logo title. This name should be there on the logo. And this is the slogan. You must have to add the slogan on the logo. And this is the company details. So you must have to follow these details carefully while developing a logo. And colors. Preferably gray, red and black, but this is not mandatory. An upload period for this contest is 4 to 8 June. So within this period you can upload your design. Once the time is ended, you can't upload and participate in this contest anymore. And after uploading your contest, you can start voting. So this is also a very important one. Now let me explain once again how the prizes will be distributed. First place, Best Logo Design Award. So this is $15. Second place, Popular Logo Design Award. This is $12. Liked Logo Design Award, $8. And those are the Editor Pick Award. So by voting you can win the prizes second and third place, and this award will be chosen by the contest holder, that means client, and winners will be announced on June 10, 2020. This is the important notes. After you upload and submit the logo to the competition, please send an email to this mail ID with an archive containing the PSD, AI or EPS source file of the logo and also your details in a text file. So this is not mandatory to use the text file. You can just write it, your details like PayPal or the Fiverr URL, and you can share this to this contact ID. And this is how to win. Be creative, don't copy other works. And now this is the page once again. You can upload your design by clicking on upload, and remember the password and your mail ID when you sign in for the first time, because in our last contest few of them forget their password and they were struggling to sign in. Here already 2 participants submitted their design, and here is the timers. Once the timer is ended, you can't upload your design and can't participate in this contest. And one more thing is, you'll get a certificate once you win the contest with your name. Your name will be there, signature will be there, and you will get this certificate from Graphics Family. We will research, and if we found if you used any ready-made artwork from any website, your design will be rejected and you will be banned for next 3 months. You need to submit your design with the resolution of 1500 into 1500 pixels in JPEG format. So wish you all the best.